Do you need help writing an essay? You've come to the right place. Today I'm going to take you through, step by step, how to write an essay. Firstly, it's good to know that there are a couple different types of essays, and understanding which one you are writing will help you figure out the best way to approach your essay. An essay is usually either an analytical, expository, or argumentative essay. An analytical essay is one that breaks down the concept into its components so they can be looked at and analysed in more detail. An expository essay is one that explains something. And an argumentative essay is one which you are putting forward a case to persuade the reader to support your claim. The next thing to do is to spend a bit of time analysing the topic. You may feel you've read it and understand it and want to jump right in and start writing the essay. But look at the topic in more detail. This can help give clues and help guide your essay. Look at each word in the topic. Look up the definition for each word in the topic. You might feel you know what each word means, but doing this can really help you make sure you are completely understanding and answering the essay topic correctly. Look at your essay topic and try to see if you can figure out which type of essay you should write. Look for the verb or the action word in the essay topic. Look for words such as explain, explore, describe, or perhaps the topic is a statement asking if you agree. Once you have a good feel for the essay topic, it's time to create the structure of your essay. This can be done in a number of ways. You may like to write it down or perhaps draw a diagram. Either way, remember, this is just a rough draft and a brainstorm, so don't feel like it has to be perfect before you put pen to paper. If you'd like to use a diagram, write the essay topic in the middle of your page and put a circle around it. Then brainstorm and write down some ideas you have about the topic or points that you want to make on the page, and then draw a line from each idea to your center topic. You may also see links between the ideas on your page, and you can draw a line between these ideas too. Once you're done, pick out the best 3 or 4 ideas. Then try to add another layer of ideas to support your 3 or 4 chosen ideas, and link these with lines on the page. If you prefer to just write it out rather than drawing a diagram, write your topic at the top of the page. Then write numbers 1 to 3 along the left-hand side of the page and with spaces in between. Under number 1, add an A, B, and C, each on a line of their own. Do the same under number 2 and 3. Now you will add your main thoughts and ideas about the topics next to the numbers 1, 2, and 3. And then you can add additional supporting ideas for your bigger ideas in the rows A, B, and C. Depending on the type of essay you're writing, you'll either write down arguments if it's an argumentative essay, steps or pieces if it's an exploratory essay, and categories if you're writing an analytical essay. The next step is to determine the main point of your essay. What is your essay about, and what is the main message that you are trying to convey? See if you can write it out in one sentence. Keep in mind the type of essay that you're writing and make sure that your statement matches this. Your essay statement is different from the essay topic as it includes your stance and your ideas on the topic and what you're going to be arguing, exploring, or discussing in relation to the topic that you have been given. For example, the topic might be examine the role of women in Romeo and Juliet. And your main essay statement might be women had 3 main roles they could undertake in society: to be a wife, a mother, and a daughter. Okay, now we're ready to start with the introduction. A small tip here. Sometimes I might begin with the body paragraphs of my essay and then come back to the introduction after I had my points better laid out. It's up to you which order you might find easiest. Perhaps try to start with an introduction and then you can always revisit it and update it as necessary once you've written the body paragraphs. When writing the introduction, you want to try to capture the reader's interest, so make the first sentence as interesting and captivating as you can. The introduction should introduce the reader to what the essay will address. You should finish the introduction with your essay statement that we've just written down. Next, we move on to the body paragraphs. Most essays have 3 or 4 main body paragraphs. Have a look at your essay structure that you created earlier. Do you have 3 or 4 main ideas? Each of these main ideas will become a body paragraph. Each body paragraph should begin with a topic sentence. The topic sentence will clearly state what the paragraph is about. It should include the topic and the main point of the paragraph, but doesn't need to go into all the detail. That's what the rest of the paragraph is going to be for. Think of the topic sentence like an advertisement or a signpost for the rest of that paragraph. Once you have your topic sentence, now it's time to write the paragraph. The paragraph should explain the main point of the topic sentence in detail, providing evidence to back it up. Why should the reader believe your topic statement? What makes you believe this statement? Answer these questions as you write the body paragraph. Add in 1 or 2 quotes that might support your point. At the end of the paragraph, you need to write a concluding sentence. This might be similar to your topic sentence, but worded slightly differently to summarize everything that's been said in the paragraph. Repeat this for each body paragraph. Put your strongest point or argument in the first paragraph, and then the next strongest in the next paragraph, and so on. Lastly, we have the conclusion. The conclusion is the final paragraph of your essay. You want to use the conclusion to emphasize to your reader the points you've made in the essay and how they support your essay statement. A little trick that I like to use is to copy each of the topic sentences and concluding sentences for each body paragraph into the conclusion, and then reword them a bit. Since my topic sentences outline the main point of each paragraph and the concluding sentences sum up what was discussed, including them in your conclusion paragraph means that you will make sure you are reciting the main ideas to support the points you've made in your essay. The conclusions should also include the essay statement using slightly different wording. Once you've written your essay, give yourself a day or 2 before you go back and proofread it. Don't underestimate a good proofread. It can make a huge difference in the quality of your essay and how you come across to the reader. A couple of spelling mistakes or typos can really bring down the whole quality and strength of your essay. To summarize, the steps to writing an essay are to determine the type of essay that you'll be writing, define all the key terms of your topic, brainstorm key themes and supporting points, determine your essay statement, write your introduction, write a topic sentence for each body paragraph, fill out the body paragraphs with supporting information and evidence, and finish with the conclusion. Lastly, remember, you don't have to sit down and write the whole essay in one go. Break it down into smaller tasks so that it's not too overwhelming. If you liked today's video, you'll love my Study Smart course. The Study Smart course takes you through, step by step, how to set yourself up for success through the use of organisational, time management, and general study skills. A link to the course is provided in the description below. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.